Alright guys, welcome back. Here we have a beautiful 2019 Ford F450 Super Duty Crew Cab Utility Service Truck. Beautiful truck, powered by a 6.7 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel engine, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive. Let's take a look around. There are no cracks on the windshield. Just put new windshield wipers on the truck. Brand new front tires. Brand new chrome wheel simulators. No rust issues on the undercarriage. Beautiful truck. Very clean inside and out. This is a 9-foot Monroe truck and equipment body. Let's look inside the boxes. Tons of storage space. Here you have your drawer for your tools. Everything's being cleaned out. Aluminum tool chest. You have a ton of room to store all your tools and equipment. This came in with the truck. It looks like a hydraulic pump of some sort. I think it's probably used for the fuel unit they have in the back. You're gonna see it. There's a tank in the back for refueling. Tires in the rears are in good condition. Take a look at the undercarriage. No rust damage. This truck also has these RC toolboxes mounted on top of the utility body for extra storage. Lots of room in there. Look at this side. It looked brand new, guys. This has a Tommy gate. Hydraulic lift, it works. It has a 1,600 pound capacity. You can see there's a Tommy gate. That weather guard tank is for fueling. You see the pump there on the top. Here, actually, let's climb on top, take a closer look. You can see the bed. Bed's been sprayed with protective liner. Inside, here's your fill right pump, fuel tank. Let's go down this side. Got to put a hitch in the back. Heavy duty vice grips. There's lights all around the truck. Floodlights and strobe lights. No rust damage. You look up here. These RC toolboxes look brand new. Barely even used. Rear tires. Undercarriage is solid. Beautiful truck, guys. If you have any questions, or like to make any inquiries, my number is 561-400-4556. Open to serious offers as well. Brand new tires in the front, guys. This tire runs and drives like new. Beautiful unit. I repeat, my number is 561-400-4556. for any serious offers or inquiries. Thank you.